Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your loadout and searching for the glider launcher blueprint. This blueprint commonly spawns in advanced wreckage, research areas, or locked storage near plane debris. Bring tools to open containers, hatchet for wood doors, crowbar for metal crates, and a repair kit for broken safes. Clear inventory space and gather baseline materials in advance. Have at least 10 metal scraps, 3 cloth pieces, and 1 spring-equivalent component on hand so you can immediately begin crafting once you find the blueprint. Once you have the blueprint, prioritize gathering exact components. 10 metal scraps, 3 cloth pieces, 2 springs, and 1 small engine or equivalent mechanical component. You will also need a short length of rope or cord and a handful of screws. These commonly drop from coastal wrecks, cabins, industrial rooms, and vehicle debris. Use a shovel or multi-tool to salvage springs and engine parts from mechanical debris and prioritize metal-rich zones. Keep parts consolidated in one chest to speed assembly at the workbench or crafting table. With parts collected, use a workbench to assemble the glider launcher by loading the blueprint and placing components in their slots. Follow the UI prompts and confirm crafting. Attach the finished launcher to your shoulder or back equipment slot, fix the glider fabric to the launcher, and keep spare screws online for repairs. Practice deployment from a safe height. Perform test jumps from 10 to 30 meters to learn timing and pull strength. Aim forward while deploying to convert vertical drop into controllable glide toward a clear landing zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.